Okay, so now I have declared the three variables: integer, my age, dad age, and some age. So these are my three containers. What is this container name? Container name, my age. What is this container name? Dad age. What is this container name? Some age. And they all have been labeled by what type of data? इंटीजर इंटीजर इंटीजर, मतलब इसमें आपको इंटीजर ही डालना है, इसके अलावा कुछ एक्सेप्ट करेगा नहीं है। और ये उनके एड्रेस है, ठीक है। तो अभी इनके अंदर वैल्यूज़ क्या है, अभी इसके अंदर जब हम डिक्लेयर करते हैं, तो जब हम डिक्लेयर करते हैं तो वैल्यूज़ क्या आ गया इसके अंदर? वैल्यूज़ अभी क्या है इनके अंदर? कुछ भी गार्बेज वैल्यू है। जब भी हम लोग वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर करते हैं तो तीन चीज़ें जुड़ती है उसके साथ में। वो तीन चीज़ें क्या है? वेरिएबल का नाम, उसका वैल्यू, और तीसरी चीज़ क्या है? एड्रेस। ओके, रिमेंबर दिस: वेरिएबल नेम, variable value, and the address of the variable. Okay, now I want to remove this garbage and put some sensible value into it. That is called as variable initialization. What is that called as? So at what line am I doing variable initialization? Who can tell me? Yes, guys. At line number 9 and 10, right? Here I am giving hard coded values. What is this called as? This is called as hard coded value. Hard coded value means now this variable container will have 20 every time. So this container, इसमें 20 जाके फिक्स हो जाएगा अभी, यानी कितने बार भी रन करो तो 20 रहेगा इसके अंदर। तो 20, फिर इसको कितने बार भी रन करो 50 रहेगा इसके अंदर। तो जब इसमें 20 है, इसमें 50 है, जब सम निकालेंगे तो 70 आएगा हमेशा। तो सम में 50 ही रहेगा। आप एक बार रन करो या 10 बार रन करो, आउटपुट आपको सेम ही आएगा। सो अब मुझे क्या करना है, मुझे जाना है मेरे फर्स्ट फ्रेंड के पास। ठीक है, आई गो टू माई फर्स्ट फ्रेंड। लेट्स से आई हैव 3 फ्रेंड्स। आई गो टू फ्रेंड 1 and I tell him that I made a software that if you give me your age and your dad's age, my software can calculate the sum of both of your ages. Okay, so my friend 1, will he, am I guaranteed that he will enter 20 and 50? Is it guaranteed? Or he can enter some other values also? Will he enter 20? Is it guaranteed, or my friend 1 can enter some other value also? So I will first give him a message that printf on a new line, please enter your age. So if he reads this message, he will enter his age. So let's say my friend 1 is of 15 years. So what will he enter after reading this message? He will enter 15. So this message will flash on the console over here. Please enter your age will message, because I have done printf, no? Whatever printf we do, it displays on the console. So it will display on the console. He will enter his age. I will read that age. To read, we have scanf. What do we have? Scanf. So scanf also works like this. There is a comma. There is some value towards the left of the comma that is in double quotes, and there is some value right of the comma which is not in double quotes. So in double quotes, you have to write what type of value this is. So 15 is what type of value? Integer, character, float, double. So what is shortcut for integer? Percentage D. What is shortcut for integer? and then after the comma in scanf you have to write and, the operator and, this is called and which variable are we storing this now, in which jar are we storing this, this will go in which container out of these three. So I write over here my age. So now what will happen is this container will not be hard coded as 20, it will take value from the user. So whatever value user enters, he will enter, they will go over here. So in this case it will go 15 over here. Then again I will prompt the user one more message, what, please enter your dad age, right? So he will enter, let's say 45. So where will 45 go into now? 45 is what type of value? Integer, and it will go in which jar now? Dad age. Okay, so now this will not be hard coded to 50, this is the value we will take from the user now. And then we know what are we doing now, we are adding both the ages, so that code will continue. So now this value which I was hard coding in initialization, now we'll do like this. Okay, so please enter your age and please enter dad age. Your age will go in my age and dad age will go in dad age. Rest of the code remains the same, just the way we initialize I'm changing. This is initialize by taking value from user. This is the second way to initialize the variables. Have I understood? Now let's run. Now I go to my first friend. My first friend reads the message. He will enter 15 and he will enter 45. So the variable my age has what value now in this run? 15. Dad age has 45. If I add 15 and 45, what will it give me if I add 15 and 45? So now what will it display on the screen? My age is what? My dad age is, and our total age is 60. So now if I hit this, getting it? Okay, next time I go to my second friend and it shows a message, please enter your age. So will he enter the same value 15 and 45, or he can enter any value? But that value has to be an integer, right? So let's say my second friend says that my age is 25. So now what will happen? Now as this is a variable, the value will keep on changing, right? So now 25 will go in which variable? 25 will go in which variable? So that variable which had 15 now will have 25, correct? Value has changed. And then enter dad age. So if he enters dad age and he enters 50 over there, so 50 will go in which variable? So now if I, so now remember why I was adding the variables, not the values, because values keep on changing, no? Variable will not change, the name will not change. So what are we adding, 25 or 50, or are we adding my age and dad age? What are we adding? Why are we adding the variables names in the formula? Why am I putting the variable name? Why am I not writing like this, 25 plus 50? Why am I not writing like this? Why am I writing my age plus dad age? Because when I give the variable name, I am giving a formula. Whatever value will come in this variable name, it will add, correct? So I can accept the value from the user and keep on doing the addition. So now what will be the addition? What will be the addition now in this run? What will be the 75? 75 will go in which variable? and then I will display. So what will be the output now if I write like this? 25 and 50. Getting it? So at each run I can get a separate output. Getting it, Ayan? Now third run I go. Okay, my third friend is very small in age. He is 8 years, let's say. So he will enter what? 8. 8 will go in which variable? My age. Okay. Father age is, let's say, 30. So now what is the sum now? 38. So each time I can enter new values by using printf and scanf. So if I run this program now, my age is 8, father age is 30, total is 38. What the difference between hard coded value and taking value from user using scanf? Yes.